My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Dorado. Dorado stands for a new ransomware targeting many Windows computers these days. My video is only for the educational purposes though. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. Instead, in my video I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how you can protect your files ahead of time. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Dorado ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So it actually encrypts files and reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it and don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. So get it on the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button and then the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license, and this way your data will always be under the protection against further ransomware attacks. Now, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which actually would be able to decrypt files. But as I said, you can consider the article in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how the data can be possibly recovered.